Whoever's lost the ball, me and Shade are going to keep it safe, aren't we, pal? You got a ball? I think we're going to have to get it back.